That was an emergency C-section. She was in ICU for 4 days. Nearly not possible for me to breastfeed her. My milk supply is not enough, and I won't be able to breastfeed. I had very much painful latch. The first 1 month I was stressful.
I am Tanaya and I am a mother of two and working with Baby Nama for last 2 years.
I'm Dr. Maitri Umashankar from Chennai. This is my first baby. I'm 30 years old and she's a preterm girl. So it was very difficult for me actually to start her feed, direct breastfeed. I was not allowed to give her direct breastfeed initially. So the first 2 weeks I didn't latch her at all. After coming home, it was nearly not possible for me to breastfeed her.
So
So
was
I
it
was
a
giving,
C-section? Like
yeah,
as you
it was
said, terms.
emergency.
So in
Yeah,
which week?
she's 35 completed.
Okay.
So that was an emergency C-section. She was in ICU for 4 days in ICU. So they were giving this Paladay feed, express breast milk Paladay feed. I didn't go for formula till now. Thanks to baby Nama, I didn't touch formula because doctor was about to prescribe formula, and even I was about to give in to formula at one point of time, thinking that my milk supply is not enough and I won't be able to breastfeed in future. So I was about to give in to formula, but suddenly I came across baby Nama in social media. So this
Okay.
was not told by any one of my colleagues, or I just came across baby Nama in Instagram, I think. So I'm not very sure. I don't remember.
Okay.
So I enrolled it because one of my colleague, pediatric friend, she was following this Instagram profile. So I asked her, how is this program?
Platform.
Is it related or will it be helpful? So I asked her. She said, yeah, it will be helpful. You have a real problem, you can just go for it. So I was not very sure when I enrolled in this program. To be honest, I was like, okay, just put my money in there and I will just try my luck. I just thought I'll just try my luck. But fortunately, my lactation consultant was Shirley ma'am.
Okay.
So I was able to communicate well with her since she knows Tamil.
Of
I'm
course.
Tamil.
Correct.
Since she knows Tamil, I was very comfortable communicating with her. With her help, within 3 days of enrolling in this program, I was able to leave the Paladay feed just like
Okay.
that. Until
You came
then,
to
I was not
direct breastfeeding.
yeah. Until then, I was not able to leave the Paladay feed, thinking that I'm not latching her properly or my milk won't be enough for her. So, the direct breastfeed won't enough for her because I was not latching properly. I knew that I had very much painful latching. So, from the painful latching, I knew that there was some mistake in latching. I was not able to get.
Correct.
But even I went offline consultation for lactation,
Mm-hmm.
but I was not able to latch her properly. With just one or two online consultations, I was having pain-free latch within a week, and my baby was comfortable, thriving. There was weight gain, and I
So
was
you were
able to leave
saying in your case, online consultation was more impactful than the offline consultation.
offline consultation.
Wow.
I personally felt dearly, even if I have a query, that will be answered within hours, sometimes immediately also. But within 1 or 2 hours, my query will be answered. My questions are very silly sometimes. Since I'm first time mother, I will have doubts every minute. Until now, I will have doubts. That's not going to go away. But
Right.
it was answered in a very patient, and the consultation was. I was very comfortable in booking the consultation and talking with
Directly
them.
from the app. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think my manager or something fixed
Coordinated
my
with you, plan
me
manager.
to me too. It was very effective and was very what I will say, a very smooth journey. The last 1 month was very smooth. She was 28 days old, or something close to 1 month. It
Okay.
was close to one. Because 23rd I had the first consultation.
Mm-hmm.
She was born on 26th. So yeah, 27, 28 days old baby.
Okay.
So yeah, so since then I was giving Paladin. So now she's in 26. She's about to complete 2 months. Now for the past 1 month, only exclusive breastfeed.
Great. Beginning, you said that you are also a doctor, right? So in which field you are in?
I'm a radiation oncologist. I'm
Okay.
working at Adair Cancer Institute. Yeah.
Okay. And and that is like I should, I should like, say that being a doctor, when you feel that, this training program has helped you, and, definitely, as you said, very promptly that online was more impactful as compared to the offline consultation, right? Yes. So that is really something is very inspiring us right now. that it is going to work.
Yeah, because since we are a new mother and we won't be able to go out often seek a lactation consultant. Since traveling is hard for us with a
Correct.
baby, feeding the baby on road or even in the hospital, it's hard sometimes. So this is more comfortable getting an online consultation. Getting answers to our queries.
And you
Oh,
are doing the consultations at the comfort of your home and
yes,
all these things. You don't have to wait for like long hours with your
our
newborn, and all these things are there. So yes,
Oh,
definitely.
no stress. Yeah, and yeah, I would definitely say the first 1 month I was stressful to the
Mhm.
max. But the past 1 month, I'm happy. People
A
are
doctor
seeing the change in my
know
face.
what, and being a doctor, you know every process. You know that how the hospitals, how the offline clinics works, and
So,
still you choose this our platform for your lactation journey. So that is a like a very big thing for us also, that we are able to help
I
you.
would definitely recommend Baby Nama to my friends. Or one of my cousin is about to give birth in another month. So I was telling her the other day, if you have any issues, just go for it. Go for Baby Nama. They will definitely help you.
Right.
So I'm very, I would say, you guys are God sent angel. That's what I will say to my mom. You
Oh,
guys are really God
that's
sent
sweet.
angel.
That's so sweet. That's so sweet. And like this encouraging stories will inspire so many mothers, I'm sure, because most of the new moms are in dilemma, definitely, that as it's an online thing, how impactful it is going to be. But that's
How
what,
effective.
yeah, because you will get desired results or not. So all these things are there. So that's why this small interviews, podcasts from the mothers will definitely help, and especially like mothers like you who themselves is a doctor, and you are recommending Baby Nama platform for the breastfeeding support. So that's that definitely inspires others. And also as you are so happy with our breastfeeding training program, I would just like to let you know that Baby Nama also offers 24/7 pediatric consultation supports, and also for various age groups. Like now it is breastfeeding. When the babies like start the solid, that's also a journey. So we
Yeah,
have
definitely.
that nutrition support also, the weaning support also. Even we have the sleep training, where some babies and mothers have that problem adjustment of the sleep, and the sleep patterns, because till 3 months it's unstable, definitely. But
Yeah,
after
definitely.
3 months you have that scope where you can sleep train your baby. So all these things Baby Nama offers, and as I said, it's the pediatric services are for 24/7. So any wherever you are, you can come to us. We will arrange the consultation within 15 minutes of time. Even as I said at the beginning, in the holistic care plan, we offer all the things together. So if a new mother wants to take all the support with us, we are here. So definitely, as you have chosen us, definitely I know this is not going to be the end. This is a new beginning with like Baby Nama with you. So definitely, whenever required, you can come back to us, and we are here.
I'll definitely choose Baby Nama for future,
Definitely. And
help.
as you
Yeah.
have said, as you already said that you have told your, sister about us. So definitely, you will say this to your friends and colleagues and everyone. And that is the, achievement for us. Like, people are, coming to know about us by you. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much. I should thank you. Thank you so much.
No,
Okay.
and all, and also proud of yourself, because you realized that you need help, and self realization is very much important when it is coming to anything. It is not only breastfeeding but anything, because if you are not convinced that you need help, no one can help you, right?
True,
So
true, very
so kudos to you. And as you have taken the help, you followed our guidance, our experts guidance, and now the result is with you. and I wish you all the very best and your little one, so that you will be always stay healthy and happy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.